How to buy $RED, Redstone Oracle's Finance Token Crypto Coin. How to buy Redstone, RED, token. The Redstone token, represented by the symbol RED, is now available for purchase. Before we begin, please note that this is not financial advice. I am not a professional financial or economic expert. Always conduct your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or financial asset. Step 1. Understanding Redstone token. Before buying RED tokens, it's important to stay updated on its availability and relevant updates. Make sure to follow official sources for announcements regarding this token. As per the latest updates, the Redstone token is available on CarxC, but it is not live yet for trading. To prepare for purchasing, follow these steps carefully. Step 2. How to buy Redstone token, RED. To buy RED tokens, follow these steps. Visit the official website. Use the link provided to access the token sale page. Connect your wallet. Click on the Expedition button to connect your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Follow the instructions. Carefully read and follow the guidelines provided on the website to participate in the sale. Wait for the token to go live. Stay updated and be ready to buy RED tokens once they become available for trading. Step 3. Storing your RED tokens. After purchasing the RED tokens, you need to decide where to store them. You can keep them on the exchange for trading or transfer them to a private wallet for security. Exchange wallet. Convenient for quick trades, but riskier due to potential exchange hacks. Software wallets. MetaMask, Trust Wallet. More secure and user-friendly. Hardware wallets. Ledger, Trezor. Best for long-term holding and security. Step 4. Staying updated on RED token developments. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, and projects often release important updates that could affect your investment. To stay informed, follow Redstone's official social media accounts. Join their Telegram or Discord groups. Regularly check CarxC's announcements about RED trading and withdrawals. Conclusion. That's a complete guide on how to buy Redstone token, RED. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on crypto investments and new token launches. Stay tuned and happy trading!